Shed, and today we're going to be learning how to make a puppet. I made a golden retriever one, and my mum's just giving me those little stick thingies. And so what you need is 2 bits of paper, some scissors, and some coloured pencils. Now what I'm going to be drawing,
Hi guys.
I don't know what I should draw. Do you know what I should draw, Xavier?
Yeah. Maybe you should draw a dolphin.
Ooh, I'm gonna do. Ooh, let's see. I will do a dolphin. So first you'll need a lead pencil.
Yes.
Yep.
Where did the stickers go?
What you're gonna do.
She's the
What you're gonna do is you're gonna need 2 clean bits of paper. I had to clean through my brother's pile and start drawing your animal.
Dad put that there, but not the other ones. Mom did those.
When you finish drawing your animal, you're going to cut it out.
Ellie's got to draw the little bird at the top.
Oh yes, and don't forget, if you're doing a dolphin, you need to draw the little water coming out. Draw the little water coming out, and then you're going to cut it out. Once you've cut it out, it will look like this, and then you're going to just take them apart for a second and get one of these little thingies. Then get your sticky tape and then stick your skewer on. So that's what you're going to do. Then you're going to get your glue stick.
Yeah.
You're going to put glue on the one that doesn't have drawing on it. You're going to put it on the side that the skewer's on. You might not get glue on all of it. And you're also going to put glue on this one, but on the back of it. And you can do whatever you want as a puppet. But I love animals, so I'm doing animals. Okay, then put the glue stick lid back on. And then you're going to place it right on top of your other dolphin. Just like that.
Then you made a puppy.
Then you made a puppet. And just like my dog. Whee! Dolphin's a bit shorter. And then you're going to colour in your dolphin. Mine's going to be
Aqua blue. Blue.
Oh yeah, that's right, I have colours right. So, before you colour in, you're going to get your pencil and draw, if you're doing a dolphin. And then, actually, don't draw a line across it. But if you want, you can. That was meant to be the tummy bit. Okay. So, then you're going to colour it in. I'll show you what it looks like when I've coloured it. Might be a bit easier to colour in before you cut it out. So, yeah. See you next time on #Ellie Shed. Dolphin, dolphin. Puppy, puppy.
My turn? Ellie, my turn?